Okay, maybe a little dance because we are celebrating 1 year anniversary of our dearest Governor Otti'S administration. Guys, today you are going to be hearing a lot of reconstruction, revamp, every race. I might not be able to recount it. Just to name a few. In this few, at least, we're gonna be seeing more than 20 roads. It's more than 40. I can't count. I have to meet someone in the government house to actually give me a list. But this is what we are keeping track of. Both federal government projects that is birthed under this divine mandate. You know why I called it a divine mandate, right? Good. So you're going to be hearing the names of roads. Put it in the re category or in the newly constructed roads, if that pleases you. So let's get down to it. Debai obi bom sangoli. But before I go on, my highlight kakonkona this video, I'm starting with Port Harcourt Road Aba. Kedonya na amaro Port Harcourt Road. When Aba backed the name Aba Diti, it was emanating from this Port Harcourt Road because apart from all the markets that Aba is hosting, this particular area is hosting so many businesses. And as a result of the dilapidated status of this road, a lot of businesses, a lot of people, a lot of homes, a lot of mouth went hungry. And to a point, people flee to Owerri, people flee to Port Harcourt, people flee to Lagos, people flee even all the way to the diaspora. Let's go. Jubilee Road. Are we talking about Enugu Port Harcourt Express Road? Cemetery Road. Mind you, I've been to Aba in the month of March because what my eyes saw was thought-provoking. I was so inspired. I was emotional. I felt those nostalgic feelings. I was moved to tears that finally we have a leader. He walk, he show. Hey, we're talking about reconstruction of 67-kilometer Umuahia Uzakuli, Abriba Ohafia Road. Are we talking about the reconstruction of Ehi Road by Kent Road in Aba, the one we just celebrated last week? Umode Road, Abak Street, Ikote Mini Road by Federal Ministry of Works. Of course, majority of these works are being done by our governor. Any other federal work you are hearing us mentioning, he triggered it. Governor Alex Chioma OTTI. We are pressing the button. So even if we ascribe all the credit to him, Rapia like that, he deserves it. An 11.5 kilometer Nunya Road is Sukuato. Are we talking about the one he just flagged off last few weeks at Aro? Reconstruction of Umuacham Road, Aba. Old Court, the connects to Ngwa Road. Ekabara Road, the one that was just flagged off last week. Urata Road. Who does not know Urata Road? And reconstruction of Obuahia Road. Unechitakwa, this video that we watched sometime. This man said, Miriruo Uruanyinobi. Very emotional video about Obuahia Road. My goodness.
I'm never 65 Obuahia Road there. Never more. Zofana meba. Seba Roru Bekemo. Retire, not a queba. Since Mbakwero Charosa. Webe onye pariaka otu aka I no na-egwu mmiri ruo otu a ruo n'obi. So I be very happy.
Isieketa in Isialangwa, Osa 6 lane Umuahia, underground tunnels. I can't count. It is a lot of it. Ehi Road, Aba by Shopping Center. Egotagone. Should I keep counting? It is so much. It is a lot of it. And we are super grateful. Moving on to my next highlight after the celebration of this road is Port Harcourt to Aba Railway that is functioning as we are talking. Reconstruction of Enyimba Stadium. The new diagnostic hospital in Umuahia. Are we talking about more than 100 schools, both primary and secondary schools, that our governor is renovating? You get to the point now. This is amazing. Let us talk about the Area Ultra Modern Market. And then the almighty geometric power plant. Akunu fokesi abanye sioko here and there. It is amazing. And so, time of if you know somebody else that we have to thank in this video, you must write your own epistle of in the comment section. And don't forget that we are still looking forward to choosing a name to award our governor with soon. And so let's go. Else should we be thanking? The very first of the first, the best. I don't know if I should call her Her Excellency, Prof. Chioma OTTI. Guys, this woman is not even from the same place with our governor. She's not a relative. Some of you might see the OT in the last name and think she's a sister or a cousin. Just so you know, she was bribed, she refused. And after the bribery that she refused, they came with their threat from her own mouth. She stood on what she believed, the mandate of the people, and she called that result without adding or removing anything. And she is still a testament and proof that good people still exist. Mama Nena, we the Abians, both home and in diaspora, are saying a huge thank you to you. On this day, the 29th May 2024, if it wasn't for your intervention, if it wasn't for your determination, if it wasn't for your believing in what you know is the truth and nothing but the truth, we will not be celebrating today. Because of you, 24 years of suffering of Abians are cut short. Because of you, we can all merito wiko. Because of you, people could come out and see Ebehatieloko. People could come out and see the street lights on. Ow, Mama, Chuku Gosiegi. You will see your children to the 5th and the 6th generation. Somebody might think it's not possible, but it is. God bless you. This is an expression. See this as a voice speaking for the Abians. We are deeply no bien. Not just na. From after the bottom, you have the middle, then you have the top. It's full of gratitude. We are grateful. God bless you. If they knew you would deliver, trust me, they wouldn't have let you be there. They thought you're a puppet, but you aren't. You've shown the breed that you are. You've shown your value, the quality that you're made of. Prof. Nena, representing motherhood, understanding that ABIA State has come to the end of Afufuwa. God bless you, ma. The next thanks, ekene kenere mozo, Mazi Bat Naji. And the geometric power plant. You can't mention that if you don't mention Na Yukubat Naji. God bless you, sir, for standing the test of time, for facing all the challenges, all the mwabalo, so that this project will be dead on arrival. Thank you for being tenacious. Una makwananda ba na agbanyuzi ọkụ na agbanyusi fridge na agbanyusi AC. Kasi na ọkụ dị over. Moving on to the Deputy Governor. Sir, God bless you. Another person on our lists is you. God bless you guys, especially the ones back home. God bless you guys for your patience, for your perseverance, for your believing that someday, somehow, God bless you guys for your great faith in our state. And the last but not the least is all the people around the world. God bless you guys for cheering us at these celebrations of Nzachasinam Uchasi Naga on ABIA State. From June, our governor has said it. We are hitting the grounds with mega projects. Wait for it. And I'm gonna wrap up this video here. How can I wrap it up without thanking my village people? Hey, my African village people on here. This community is the best on YouTube, I tell you. The way you guys are sharing my videos, the way you guys are participating in the comment section, the way you guys are bringing up ideas and being modest and being ethical and being I don't know what to say. You guys are full of love. You guys are full of understanding. You guys are full of wisdom. You guys are just the best. No trolling, you know. You guys are just peaceful. Thank you, guys. Thank you so very much. God bless you. All right, I'm balling out. Akabokwa mwadu no splendor ngozi. God bless you. Bye.